Hi, my name is Karen Beers, and along with my husband, Dean Beers, we are associates in forensic investigation. This is our new course, and it is evidence inspection and documentation for legal investigations.
And we're also going to include a special section on DNA collection, whether you're learning to do it yourself or to understand how it's done when you're involved in your legal cases.
Now, this course is for new investigators as well as the experienced investigator, and we hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
Thank you. Now let's talk about what's in the course. So this is what we're going to talk about in this course. First, we're going to talk about what is evidence inspection and documentation. And then we'll talk about why it's important to both your civil and criminal defense cases. And then we'll talk about what is needed for evidence inspection and documentation, followed by the process that's involved and what is it. And then we're going to continue on to get into the best reporting practices for this when you're done completing your evidence inspection. And then the special segment we're going to talk about is what is DNA collection and documentation. And we'll show you what's needed to do it and how it's done, so that either if you're learning to do it yourself or if you're understanding how, for example, law enforcement may have done it. And then we'll wrap things up with some case studies about this whole process. So thanks a lot. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
If you are requesting continuing education credits, send us an email at associates@investigativecourses.com. Then we will send you a link to an online quiz.
Yeah, and upon passing, we'll send you a letter of completion or certificate that you can send in to your state association or a body that you need to submit for continuing education. Just to let you know, these courses are not pre-approved for continuing education and is dependent upon your submission. Thank you. That's going to wrap up that, but I'd like to mention that it's important to us that you're always part of your state and national associations that help keep you in business, especially through legislative advocacy. These are some that we're a member of. NCISS is the National Legislative Advocacy and National Council of Investigation and Security Services. And there's also your state association that does the same thing. So we highly recommend working together. If you're involved in a specialty, criminal defense, CDITC, international work, WAD, and any kind of civil or criminal cases, NALI. So take a look at those. Go to privateinvestigations.org/associations to get more information. We certainly encourage it. Hi, and we want to hear from you about our courses and what you think. You can reach us about our courses, purchasing any podcast versions, as well as any materials for review and reference for small nominal fees, as well as any questions and suggestions you might have.
You can email us at associates@investigativecourses.com, and one of us will get right back to you.
Great, thank you.